Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the viewers and all the students. Welcome to the second video of Commerce Explains. In the first video, we learned about the basic concept of demand and supply, and in this video, we'll be going through the more additional topics related to the basics of economics, like the price and demand relationship, supply and demand relationship, or supply and price relationship. Uh, so, so today's first topic will be a price and the demand relationship. So as we all are aware that the price and demands are inversely proportional to each other. Like हम लोग इसको इस तरीके से समझते हैं कि एज अ रैशनल कंज्यूमर हम सभी डिमांड एंड प्राइस का रिलेशनशिप खुद के डेली लाइफ एग्जांपल से समझ सकते हैं, राइट? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन अ प्राइस ऑफ अ कमोडिटी गोज अप, the demand for that particular commodity goes down. So let's take an example. अगर आप कभी भी शॉपिंग करने जाते हो, राइट? लाइक ऑफ सीजन शॉपिंग कभी भी करने जाते हो आप, तो इन ऑफ सीजन शॉपिंग अब अगर आप देखोगे हर एक कमोडिटीज़ लाइक हर एक कमोडिटीज़ का प्राइसेस लाइक जनरली हाई होता है. So in that case, the demand for those commodities are like usually less, right? But in the festive season, जब सेम प्रोडक्ट्स पे डिस्काउंट कंपनीज देती हैं, so we go and shop for more products. So generally the demands goes up when the price of the commodity falls. So there is always a inverse relationship between the price and the demand of a commodity. Okay, so this is all about the price and demand relationship. And there are certain factors also which affect demands. Like if you go through this like six topics, 6 points, like price of the commodity, income of a consumer, price of the related goods, weather, custom and fashion, and size of the population. So these are the six factors which affect demand. So let's understand each one of them individually. Okay, so price of the commodity, ऐसे हम लोगों ने समझा कि प्राइस अफेक्ट्स डिमांड. जैसे हम लोगों ने भी पुराने वाले इसके प्रीवियस टॉपिक पे जो समझा कि प्राइस ऑफ द डिमांड, प्राइस एंड द डिमांड ऑफ अ कमोडिटी आर इन्वर्स रिलेशन. अगर प्राइस बढ़ता है तो डिमांड कम हो जाता है. दे सो प्राइस ऑलवेज अफेक्ट द डिमांड ऑफ अ सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज. एंड द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज इनकम ऑफ अ कंज्यूमर. सो जनरली वी ऑल कैन रिलेट, राइट? सो अगर एक नॉर्मल एक इंसान का इनकम, इफ अ पर्सन इज अर्निंग 30,000 पर मंथ, सो द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग विल बी एन एवरेज. बट जैसे ही उस पर्टिकुलर इंसान का इनकम लेवल बढ़ता है तो जनरली एक स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग भी बढ़ता है. सो जैसे ही लाइक इफ अ पर्सन इज अर्निंग मोर एंड मोर, ही और शी विल स्पेंड or create more demand for each and every product or services which they are using in everyday life, right? So income of a consumer also affect the demand of certain goods and services. And the next point is price of the related goods. So let's take an example of substitute goods. Let's say tea and coffee. So we Indian drink tea and coffee both. So जब भी हमें पता लगता है कि कॉफ़ी का प्राइस बढ़ गया है, we shift to tea. We consume more tea than compared to coffee. हम लोग कॉफ़ी का डिमांड कम कर देते हैं एंड वी इंक्रीज द डिमांड ऑफ टी. सो द रिलेटेड गुड्स, price of the related goods also affect the demand of their substitutes. So the next topic is weather. So weather we can understand by this, like for example, if you are in a, if you are in the month of November or December, let's say, you won't be going to buy t-shirts, right? You will be buying sweaters, jackets, and the winter wears, hoodies, and all. So the demand for normal t-shirts and shirts will be pretty much less with compared to those products like the jackets and the sweaters and everything, right? And the vice versa, like if you go in the summer season, you won't be buying any sweaters, jacket, or hoodies, right? So weather also plays a very very important role with the demand of certain goods and services. The customs and fashion as in, like, if the trending fashion is going for hoodies, and no one will go to buy, t-shirts, shirts, and all. So customs and fashions also affect demands. The size of the population, it's also an important factor to the demand. And supply we have already understood in the last video, and now we'll be understanding the supply relationship. So as we have learned about the price and demand relationship, they shares an inverse relationship between each other, right? But the supply relationship is but the supply relationship, now we will learn about the supply relationship with the price. So we have already learned about the price and the demand relationship. So generally price and demand shares and indirect relationship with each other, right? So now we will learn about the supply relationship with the price. So we have already learned प्राइस एंड डिमांड का रिलेशनशिप, जो कि इन्वर्स रिलेशनशिप है. प्राइस बढ़ने से डिमांड कम हो जाता है, डिमांड प्राइस कम होने से डिमांड बढ़ जाती है, बट not in the case of supply relationship with price. So when the price increases, the manufacturer will try to supply more of that particular goods or services. So supply and price shares and direct relationship between each other. So the next topic we'll learn about the elasticity. So elasticity is very common topic in basically with the demand and related to the demand and supply topic. So elasticity क्या होता है? Elasticity is basically a degree of change. You know, जब demand और supply curve react करते हैं with a change in price, तो price change होने पे demand curve और supply curve जितने डिग्री से रिएक्ट करते हैं, दैट डिग्री इज कॉल्ड द इलास्टिसिटी. सो बेसिकली फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर प्राइस of a commodity is increasing or decreasing, okay, so demand and supply will obviously get affected because of the price. So kitne degree se the demand and supply curve is reacting or responding towards the change in the price of the commodity or service, that is what we called the elasticity. Okay, it's as simple as that. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please do let me know how was this explanation, and do let me know in the comment section then in what all topics you guys want the video to be uploaded. So I'll be going and creating the videos on those topics only, and I'll be uploading the same. And please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.